Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is Aida again. Welcome to Aida channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment if you want. If you don't want, I don't care because I'm not one as a vlogger. Yeah, that's simple. If you want, just like. If you don't want, no. Leave. Skip this video. Okay. Okay. Yeah. You can see me again wearing bukan here. Okay, don't, never mind, guys. I just finished for try black coffee from my mom. Oh, so delicious, I think. Yeah, if you can't try, just not try. This is just about taste, but right. And guys, the weather is really hot like every day. Whew, and makes me more and it makes me over and over to take a bath. I'm so tired to take a bath. Guys, I'm so really sleepy actually. But yeah, I have a planning to go with my friend today, but I can't go with my friend today, guys. So really sad. This is just now to have weekend, and then next uh week it's more busy. We have a so many agenda. That's why I'm like, wow, I can't go today. So really sad. Cause so late I have money, guys. Why? I just hear this. Mukana. Because I'm so comfortable. Yeah, if you ask me, just this, I just answer for you guys. Okay, don't distract about this song you hear at my house. Just listen me to talk with you, okay? Focus, trulala, focus, trulala, focus. Let me searching for topic first, okay? Um, Maybe I want to tell you about one like uh novel, novel or fictional story. Yes, I have one story from Korea. This is like fiction. And once upon a time, one boy lived in Korea. Yes, His name is Nana, but he's boy. Yeah, Nana. But his name is Nana and Miss G. I call her Miss G. Miss G, and Miss G is very beautiful. It's very pretty girl and attractive. Yes, her have her have um, boyfriend from school. It's very famous. And yeah, Miss G is very green flag. Yes, her is very green flag. Nana have one school with Miss G, and Nana and Miss G meet up in the school. But Nana can talk. He's mute boy. Mute boy. I don't know in English, but he's mute boy. It's like can't talk. And but he's use Saigon. Today when he's want to talk with other people or interaction, yes, he's use Saigon language to talk. Yeah, that's why Miss G get it little by little when they meet up in the school. You know, uh, actually, Nana is sibling from Miss G boyfriend. Yeah, but just step brother. But Nana and Miss G boyfriend look like stranger. He don't want to talk anytime. Guys, and Nana is very green flag boy. I mean, it's not green flag, more again, like green forest. And then every time Nana see Miss G, he's already awkward. The first time he's and Miss G talk, it's very nervous and until it's so very familiar and going as a friend. Nana and Miss G like a friend, but Miss G still not understand about Saigon language. So that's why Miss G still learning about Saigon language more and more. But yeah, her boyfriend so really jealous about this and going like cyberbullying for Nana. And then Nana really fall in love with Miss G. Is made in Nana see Miss G as like a perfect girl, cause Miss G can always protect Nana from cyberbullying. sometimes in the school, but as a friend to help friend. But then I have a feeling for Miss D, and then I little forget it. I'm little forget it, guys. Sorry. Um, and then Nana want to confess to Miss D for his feeling because he can just quiet. He can love in the dark. Yeah, like a song, like this song. He's like Nana just love in the dark because Miss D have the boyfriend, but Nana really uh have mental to confess to her, and her and he's just give little by little attention for make Miss G comfortable, but at the same time Nana have Nana really as a victim bullying, cyberbullying in the school. Every time Nana can fight with so many boy in the school and make bad situation. After that, Nana is not uh I know Nana scared, but still like stronger. You know, the background is Nana don't have mom because his mom is passed away. Yeah, it's more uh sadness. His have life is not fair. His can talk. His um just uh, wear sign language, and guys, Nana. I forget to tell you, Nana just moved school. That's why Miss D and Nana meet up. Yeah, Nana is new student, and then little by little, uh, every day, every boy fight with Nana, cause it's like not. It's like Nana can fight with boy in this school, but Miss G can protect every day when her meet with Nana again. Even though Miss G have a boyfriend, but so really friendly person. That's why. And then uh, Miss G and her boyfriend is break up because so many problem. But but Miss G and her boyfriend is couple girls, but his break they break up. Yeah, it's really sad. Yeah, after that, Miss G have feeling little by little to Nana. But yeah, as you know, her ex Miss G is really mad and still jealous. still jealous to her and don't like when his uh look uh look Miss G beside Nana and more can to fight with Nana because Nana look like uh fall in love with Miss G and both really fall in love. Miss G have a relationship like toxic relationship. My time is over. Sorry. Thank you for listening. Okay, next again, I want to tell you about this story maybe night. Bye bye.